Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit documents in Dochub. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your preferred browser and head to dochub.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your account if you haven't already. This ensures you have access to all your documents and editing features within Dochub. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on Dochub's dashboard screen. This is your main workspace where you can access all your documents and start new projects. From here, to begin editing documents in Dochub, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the New Document button. This will open up options for adding files to work with. You'll now be prompted to add the file you wish to edit. Click on Select File, and a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This window allows you to browse through your computer's folders and locate the specific document you want to edit. Simply navigate through your files, locate the document you wish to edit, and click on it to select it. Once you've selected your file, click on Open to proceed with uploading it to Dochub. Next, you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on the size of your document and your internet connection speed, this may take just a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a Create Document button located at the bottom part of this window. Click on it to move forward. You'll now be on the Document Editor page, which is where all the magic happens. This is Dochub's main editing interface, where you can make changes, add annotations, and customize your document however you need. From here, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see all the editing tools you can use to edit your document using the Dochub app. These tools include options for adding text, inserting signatures, highlighting sections, drawing shapes, and much more. Each tool is designed to help you modify your document professionally and efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and accessed the editing tools in Dochub, allowing you to make any changes you need to your document. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.